Hello everyone, we are excited to present Dhanvi Financial Fortune, our original educational board game designed to teach financial literacy in a fun and practical way. Students today rarely learn how to manage money, handle expenses, invest or plan for the future. Our game solves this by turning real-life financial situations into interactive gameplay.
Players start with 1000 in-game currency and navigate through the board with 32 unique spaces, including income, expenses, taxes, audits, and a lot more. The goal is simple: to have the highest total wealth by making smart financial decisions.
As players move around the board, they face realistic financial scenarios. They can invest in assets like gold, real estate, stocks, bonds, and government schemes, each with different levels of risk and return. This helps them learn concepts like budgeting, diversification, and risk-reward trade-offs.
Even cards introduce market changes such as stock market crashes or property booms. Players must record everything on their balance sheets and the banker audits the records. This structure teaches accountability, accuracy and financial planning, just like real life.
We have successfully created a complete physical model of the game, including the board and the entire card set. Our project was selected for the regional level of the CBSE Skill Expo, which gave us valuable feedback and guidance to further improve the game design.
Dhanvi helps students build financial awareness, critical thinking, and decision-making skills through hands-on learning. It makes financial concepts easy, practical, and enjoyable, something traditional textbooks often fail to do.
In the future, we plan to promote Dhanvi in schools to gather deeper insights from students and teachers. We also aim to develop Dhanvi version 2 specially designed for young adults and college students with more advanced financial challenges. Thank you.